If you walked through the vast grasslands of the Great American Plains today, you would hear the wind blowing through the tall grasses. You may hear the barking of a tiny prairie dog standing watch near its burrow, or hear the sound of bison grazing on the lush grasses of the plains. Many hundreds of years ago, these would not have been the only sounds you would have heard on the Great Plains. You see, these vast grasslands were once home to the first Americans, the Native Americans of the Great Plains. You would have heard the sounds of their voices, their songs, their music, and their lives. One way we've come to know about early Native American culture is through artifacts dug up by archaeologists. Artifacts are things like pottery, jewelry, and tools. By exploring artifacts left behind, we can learn a lot about what life was like for the first American people. You may wonder, how did the first Americans come to live on this land? Well, many scientists believe that thousands of years ago, much of the northern hemisphere was covered with huge sheets of ice called glaciers. This was the Ice Age. The cold temperatures caused more and more water to freeze, and the level of the oceans dropped. When this happened, a land bridge crossing the sea between Northeast Asia and North America was revealed. Bison, caribou, and other large animals crossed over the bridge, and the Asian people who hunted these animals and depended on them to survive followed.